get you a breaking update that is now coming in from the Samajwadi Party chief, Akhilesh Yadav, who seems to be issuing a statement predicting a Samajwadi Party victory in 2027 assembly election, saying that as soon as the Samajwadi Party government is formed in 2027, bulldozers of the entire state will head towards Gorakhpur. Now, this has been what has been spoken by him, or rather a statement that has been given by him. Adeeb is with us. Adeeb, good morning. Of course, when it comes to the bulldozer action, the issue that was also taken up in the highest court of the country, in the Supreme Court itself, Akhilesh Yadav seems to be taking a leg from that and talking about a possible Samajwadi Party victory and what will happen, what amounts to bulldozer action or justice today.
Well, definitely, as you mentioned, that the Supreme Court recently made a critical observation on the use of the bulldozer, and the Supreme Court said that they will be issuing a pan-India guidelines. And after that, Akhilesh Yadav is telling his party workers, party functionaries, that after the Samajwadi Party win in 2027, all the bulldozers of the state will head towards Gorakhpur, and their heads will turn towards Gorakhpur. This is the warning that Akhilesh Yadav is giving to the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially to the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who hails from the Gorakhpur, and it's a bastion of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Gorakhpur CM Yogi Adityanath himself is MLA from Gorakhpur. And Akhilesh Yadav, while interacting with the party workers, said this that the caste census is very important for us, and he also went on to say that after the 2027 polls, when the Samajwadi Party comes in power, all the bulldozer of the state will head towards Gorakhpur. This is what Akhilesh Yadav has to say in his party office, Amita.
All right. As far as when it comes to many of them that have been talking about, as far as the statement that has been given by Akhilesh Yadav, and many of the other issues that have also been touched upon in that statement that we can find on the Samajwadi Party handle on X, going on to say that the Samajwadi Party के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष एवं पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री श्री अखिलेश यादव जी ने कहा है कि भाजपा सरकार की भेदभावपूर्ण और गलत नीतियों से हर वर्ग आक्रोशित है। भाजपा जो है पिछड़े दलितों के आरक्षण के साथ लूट कर रही है। Of course, these are the issues that has been also raised by Akhilesh Yadav as far as when it comes to the teachers as well, and how they have been fighting against what they call as the भाजपा सरकार, जो लगातार असंवैधानिक जो कार्य है वो करती हुई नजर आ रही है। और even when it comes to all of the other issues with regards to reservations as well that has been mentioned, और saying that श्री यादव ने कहा है कि सरकार के खिलाफ जनता का आक्रोश बढ़ता जा रहा है, और आने वाले विधानसभा उपचुनाव और 2027 के आम विधानसभा चुनावों में जनता भाजपा से उसे हटाकर उसके अहंकार को तोड़ देगी। As far as there have been other issues that have also been raised by the BJP now, which is hit back at Akhilesh Yadav after the Samajwadi Party cites Akhilesh Yadav's warning, citing that this is Samajwadi Party, which is a party of goons.
अखिलेश यादव की आदत हो गई है हिंदुओं का अपमान करने की, और उनकी पार्टी की प्रवृत्ति गुंडागर्दी की है। ये कहना कि बुलडोजर गोरखपुर की तरफ जाएगा, गोरखपुर गोरखनाथ पीठ की धरती है, वहां पे लाखों हिंदू श्रद्धालु हमेशा पूजा करते हैं। इसका मतलब क्या कहना चाहते हैं अखिलेश यादव? इससे साफ है कि समाजवादी पार्टी सिर्फ और सिर्फ हिंदुओं को, गरीबों को धमकाती है, गुंडों की पार्टी है, और हिंदू सभ्यता का अपमान करना समाजवादी पार्टी की वोट बैंक की प्रवृत्ति है।
All right, for the moment, thank you very much, Adi, for joining in. That has been as far as